Hello, my good friend. I want to show you how to design a simple bungalow like this. As you can see in this design, this simple bungalow has its parapet. It also has window hood. You can see the door, you can see the corridor, you can see the roofing design, and I'm going to show you how to design a simple bungalow like this, because to design a building has to begin with a step. You start from the known to the unknown. By creating simple designs like this, by the time you must have mastered how to design buildings like this, you can then go into more complex designs. But to design a simple bungalow like this, first you have to learn how to set your screen, your drawing board screen, to look like this, having all the toolbars in their proper positions for easy access. Now, the first thing we are going to learn in this tutorial is how to set our drawing board screen to look like this. Then we go into other settings. Now, to do that, I want you to see how we do. Like, I'm going to open a new drawing board. I'll have to click on my file, then click on new. Then in this new, click on launch a new instance of Archicad. Click on it. Then on this current profile, you have to change this current profile to the default profile. You can see the default profile. One of the reasons why we have to change it to default profile is I want to show you how to create your profile to look like this, because currently, if I should click on current profile, my drawing board screen, the new drawing board screen that I'm going to upload, will appear bearing the settings that you can see that is existing on this drawing board screen. Now, because I want to show you how to create your own drawing board screen to look like mine, I'm going to click on default profile, so that it will open in original Archicad drawing board setting. Click on it, new. A new drawing board screen is opening. Let's exercise patience. Let's exercise patience. As you see, it opens, and you see what default drawing board screen looks like. Yes, you can see we have a new drawing board screen. In this drawing board screen is in default profile. You can see what Archicad drawing board default profile looks like. Now look at the current drawing board screen that I'm making use of. You can see what it looks like. I'm going to teach you how to bring out all these toolbars and place in their proper positions. First, let's go back to our default drawing board screen. Now, to do this, you just simply go to your window, move down to toolbars, start bringing out all the commands there, like 3D visualization. Click on it. If you click on it, you right click on 3D visualization, keep bringing others out. Now all the toolbars are out. Now what do? We are going to pick the ones that we need. We are going to create it to look exactly like this, our new drawing board screen. You can see our current profile, what it looks like. This is our current profile. We're going to set it to look like this. So we'll go back to our default profile. Now we take this one off. Start positioning the ones we need. Now this particular one, you pick on it, you click on it, drag it up the screen. Then let's check in our default profile. The next is this 3D window. So we pick on it, we look for it here. Look at it here. You click on it,